Don't you have prices?
No, you just choose the one. I'll give you the price.
How much is the milkshake? The milkshake.
The milkshake. No, actually, we don't have it now, but so I will ask from the cocktail guy. We don't have, so I will ask here. You just choose anything you want.
Baby, what are you choosing?
This is my message to you. Sing it about the thing, every little thing is gonna be alright.